So you want to start a screen printing business and you're in the market of looking for a great entry level screen printing machine? Well, I got one for you coming up.
It's that no, she my flow. Yeah. It's that.
Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel, and I'm your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna tell you one of the best entry level screen printing machine on the market. But first, let me give you a little advice. Stay away from those cheap eBay entry level press. Why? Most of the time they don't work well. Your print won't come out as good as you want it to be. Even though it's an entry level press, it should be producing good result. Not just okay result, but good result. So forget about the eBay press, and I want you to try, because you use eBay press, first of all, it doesn't have great off contact, and if you order, you're gonna pay like what, $200 for one station press and one color you could use on it, and then what? It's no good. I got something better for you. Try the Riley Hopkins Jr. 4-color one station press. Trust me, this thing is strong, it's durable. I don't know what else word. It's magnificent. It's 4-color one station. So why practice on one station, one color press, when if you want it, you're gonna have to keep changing screen and all that, when you could practice on a 4-color one station press? Yes, it may gonna cost you a little bit more than that. $200 you're gonna pay on eBay, but if you're serious about jumping into the business, because let me tell you now, screen printing is a messy job. It's messy, no doubt about it. But if you want an entry-level press where you just want to print up, you know, shirts for yourself or maybe your little friends or, you know, a family member, then fine, go to eBay. But if you want to get some real practice done, don't get that eBay press. I know a lot of YouTubers telling you to go get it, but I'm here to tell you, don't waste your money. Go out there and get you a real good entry level. If you notice, when they started, they may not even use those entry level press, but they telling you to go out and get it. And if they do get it, they only use it for a few months. But think about it, you spend $200 this month, in 3 months you're gonna have to upgrade that garbage press, right? When you could spend a good amount of money. Yes, the Riley Hopkins Jr. 4-color press one station is a little expensive, but it's best you save your money so that you could get a really good press. It may, I believe it's cost, I don't know, by itself costs about $600, $700. But listen to me, you want quality, you want durability, you want it to be, you know, you want it to last you a very long time. And with this press, you could at least do about 50 to 60 shirt on it. And the thing is, you get to practice 4-color on this one station. You know, you don't have to take your screen out and keep changing screen, you know, like you're dancing. You know, you don't want that. Anyway, let's roll into the video. I'm gonna show you the one that I used, and I had it for about 3 years, going on 4 years, and it's still working magnificent. Let's roll into it. Alright, so right behind me is the press that I use. I'm about to show you it, so let's check it out. So this is my Riley Hopkins Jr. press. This is a 4-station. So this is the 4-station, and I also got micro registration with it. I only bought 2. micro registration right here. This is one, and this is two. I still need to get two more, but these bad boys are pretty expensive, so I only got two for now. But this press, like I said, this is like 3 years old, and it's been holding up very strong, and it come with off, you know, it's off contact and tilt. You could do all that. And check this out. Look, feel that. Look, this is, it's very, very strong. This is not cheaply built, and it comes with strong springs. And the thing is, if you these ever, and look at that, the spring got protection on it. Can you see it? It got this mesh thing over it, so if it pops off or break, whatever, you know, it's protected. So and if you ever lose, no, I wouldn't say lose, because there's no reason for you to take it up, but if it's ever a break or whatever, you could always get this from screenprinting.com. You could always get that from Ryonet website. But this is very strong. This is a great entry level. Look at this. It's one station, so this is the station right here, but it's 4 color press. Look at that. And I'm cramped for room. I don't have much room to do work, and and I also got this cart right here, right? But underneath it, it comes with where you could put your screen underneath it. So right now I have a few screens underneath here. Actually, it didn't come with it. I bought it. This was like about $300 for it. So, and the reason, I think $400. And the reason why I got it, look, if you could see, it got wheels on it, right? And look at this. So it's on the floor, and you could also lock the wheels on it. You lock all 4 wheels, and it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere, and it could hold up to 200 and something pressure on it. Look at it. It's very strong, and when you press, once you lock the wheels down, it will never move. Look, and all you got to do is just bolt it down, bolt the press down on the table. And it comes with all the bolt that you need, everything. And also the press comes with this wrench right here. This is so that you could adjust the off contact. So like I said, I bought the registration with it, so you know, the micro registration. So to set it up, I'm telling you, this is a very good, look at that, this is so strong. You know, it's look at, and it also moves freely. Look, freely, smooth, extremely smooth, no problem with it. Boom, get to do your work, and the springs are pretty good. It's tight. This is a great entry level press, and I believe this is 16 by 20, maybe 16 by 24. I don't know. That's what it comes with. Look at, just check it out. And the cart, it's a great investment to invest in the cart, to put it, I mean, you can make your own cart. Like I said, if you're looking for quality, man, if you want a real genuine entry level press, I'm telling you, check out the Ryonet press. They are really good. I understand people don't like them because they say, oh, they're too expensive. But why would you want a cheap press that, you know, that won't give you the quality like this one? This is made in the US, and I'm not saying that product that doesn't make in the US is not strong, but this, they've actually put the work behind it so that it could be worth it. Just look at the quality of this bad boy. You know, the quality of it is outstanding. You know, it's really, the quality is really good. It's better than those cheap eBay press that you're gonna get. So anyway, trust me, get it. Forget about all that. I'm gonna do it myself, make cards, and I'm gonna do it myself, make a screen printing at home. Forget about all that. Just save your money and get you a good quality entry-level press like this. It's one of the best. I'm not saying it's the best, but it's one of the best, and I say it's a great investment. So go invest in something good. You guys are back. You see? You saw that? You saw the one that I use? Yeah, you see? It looks strong, and the color is beautiful too. That green color is popping. You know, plus the cart that I bought with it could hold up to, I believe it's 200 to 250 pounds. So when you're pressing on it, that baby, once you lock the 4-wheel, that baby ain't going anywhere. It's not even jiggling. It's not even moving. It's like, whoop, sturdy. So go on their website. I'll put up the link right here. And they also have a great package, and on their website, the package I believe is probably cost $1,500, but they give you everything. You get a exposure unit, flash dryer, inks, squeegee, you name it. They give you inside that one package. For $1,500, you want an entry level press? This is great for you, and their package is excellent. I know most people don't like them because it's expensive, but if you want quality, you have to pay for it. If you want cheapness, go to eBay, get those cheap eBay machine. You know, but I'm telling you, this press is one of the best. I'm not saying it's the best. It's one of the great presses out there. So anyway, if you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, hit that notification bell. And as always, your boy will catch you on his next video. Drop your comment down. Don't forget, tell me what you think about my machine. I'm out.